Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying carrier permissions and power. Open Settings and go straight to Mobile Hotspot or Tethering. This gets the radios ready. Make sure your battery is adequate and data allowances won't trigger throttling. Next, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so strangers cannot use your link. Once done, leave the hotspot screen visible so you can see connected devices and quickly copy the network name and password for the next step. Now you connect the client device. Open its Wi-Fi menu and select the SSID you created. Enter the password carefully. Using copy-paste reduces errors and saves time. If Wi-Fi is unreliable, use USB tethering. Plug the phone into the computer and enable USB tethering in the phone settings, or pair via Bluetooth and grant network access. Once connected, check the client's IP address and confirm internet access by loading a web page. If the client fails to obtain an IP, renew the connection or toggle airplane mode. Finish by monitoring connections and preserving battery. Keep an eye on data usage and disconnect devices you don't recognize. If the client has no internet, restart both devices, toggle the hotspot off and on, and confirm mobile data and APN settings are correct. These steps often resolve authentication issues. When speeds lag, move the hotspot phone to a spot with better cellular signal, switch the hotspot band to 5 GHz if supported, or reduce the number of active devices. These checks usually restore reliable tethering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.